And 2024 is off to a crazy start, from believe it or not. Yesterday, an Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 9, flight number flight number 1282, took off from Portland, Oregon, bound for Ontario, California. Suffered a mid-cabin explosion after one of its exit door separate from the Alaska 737 MAX 9 5 minutes after taking off from Portland, Oregon on January 5th of 2024. The aircraft reached at a maximum altitude at 16,000 feet. It diverted safely back to Portland, landing at 4:26 p.m. in Portland time. The flight was carrying 171 passengers and 6 crew members, total of 177 people on board. As of right now, everyone on the aircraft escaped with no injuries. As you can see here from flight radar of the flight of Alaska 1282. Oops. This incident happened on January 5th, so it happened around yesterday. This was currently recorded on January 6th of 2024. See, the aircraft took off, heading towards a southeastern, heading towards Ontario, California, to it somewhere here. Somewhere here where the explosion happened in flight. Obviously, they were requested to descend and declare an emergency, and they turned back towards Portland and successfully made a emergency landing. As of right now, I believe the flight 1282 was rescheduled and was replaced by a different 737, a 900, not a MAX, because currently right now the Alaska announced they have temporarily grounded all of their MAX 9, and recently they just took delivery of their MAX 8, but I'm not sure if they grounded them as well, but probably they did. Like I said, the aircraft involved was a Boeing 737 MAX 9. The aircraft itself is a 2-month-old MAX 9, registered as N704AL. The aircraft was delivered to Alaska Airlines on October 31st of last year, 2023, aka on Halloween.